Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morton County in south-central North Dakota until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Solon, or 28 miles south of Bismarck, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Solon, St. Anthony, Brienne, Fort Rice, Stump State Natural Area, and Huff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central North Dakota.